Hey guys, if your car's not turning on, it's making like this flashing stuff, or maybe it's not turning on at all, it might be your battery, and it might be just because it's not tight enough, alright? These connectors are not tight enough to your battery, or they could just be dirty, and that's most likely that's the case. Alright, they could be a little bit rusted, and all you guys have to do is clean it up. So at this point, I'm assuming maybe you guys are stuck maybe at your work and you guys can't turn it on. So right now the quick fix for that is just to move around. Alright, just move this around and until it comes off. Move it around for like, I don't know, maybe 10 times, and then just leave it not at its original position, and then turn on your car. You guys will see that it turns on, and that's because whatever rust it has right now, you guys moved it around a little bit, so you kind of shaved it off. So this should work. If not, you guys will have to clean it. Regardless, even if it works right now and you guys were able to turn on your car, right now what you guys should do is get home and just clean it up. All right, so you guys will have to just use something like this, and then once it's nice and clean, put it back. And these regular maintenance that you guys should do at least once a year, especially if you live in a cold country. You guys will probably need to do this maybe twice a year. Alright, and if your battery just doesn't want to collaborate, maybe it's a 5-year-old battery, then it's maybe time to get a new battery. Alright, usually it's 5 years, but for most of you, maybe it's just a year old or 2, or even 3. You guys are still probably good, so just clean it up and you're ready to go. If it's still not turning on, then it's not your connectors. It might be that your battery just died, completely died. So you guys could charge it up, hook it up to another car and charge it up like that, and then you guys can get running. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here below in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.